Hey, Caillou.
Grandpa!
What's that you're playing with?
My marble set.
Looks complicated.
It's super fun. What's in the bag?
A toy I played with when I was little. It was your daddy's, too.
Oh. A train set? Whoa! This is so cool, Grandpa.
No! I'd make this thing zoom all over the house when I was your age. From the kitchen to the living room to the backyard. Right, I wasn't supposed to make it zoom around the house and backyard.
I want to zoom it around our house.
Trains don't all want to go fast, Caillou. Sometimes they want to slow down and take in the view. Let's build a slow and steady track in a safe, simple circle.
Oh, okay. Maybe then it can go up here and a loop-de-loop and fire confetti!
I don't think this train can do loop-de-loops, but it can go around a bend. Well, have fun. I promised Mommy I'd clean up before she gets home.
Okay. Bye, Daddy.
And there. Ta-da!
Yeah, a little normal circle for our little normal train.
And now, the best part. See? Isn't that nice, Caillou? I could watch it all day long. How's it going in here? Oh, Grandpa's asleep. Oh, nice job with the train, Caillou.
I kind of wish it went faster.
Grandpa wouldn't mind it going a little faster.
Whoa. Can I try, Daddy?
Sure.
Cool. I wish we could make the track longer like my marble set.
Grandpa wouldn't mind it a little longer. Yeah, we might have gone a little too long.
Should we take it down?
Yeah. But maybe we can see if it works first?
Ready, Daddy?
Ready, Caillou.
It's working! Yay! Gilbert!
Final stretch. What is it? Surprise! My train! I guess it did want to go fast.
What happened in here?
I think we had a bit too much fun. Faster! Why is it so hot?
Sorry, boys. I tried turning on a fan, but I think I turned off everything else instead.
But we were so close. You mean I was so close? Nuh-uh.
Cool down, boys. I'll try flipping some switches upstairs. We'll be frosty in no time.
It really is hot.
Yeah, I'm melting.
It kind of feels like lava! Rosie, stay on your island, okay? Huh? Okay. Ooh. The stairs! We'll be safe there. Too bad it's every kid for themselves.
First time's a charm.
Oh no! The lava's getting higher! We can't make it to the stairs! We don't have enough pillows! There's only room for one! Sorry, Caillou! Aha!
Maybe second time?
Oh no! Gilbert! He's going the wrong way! It's the yarn! We've got to get Gilbert to safety. How? We have to work together. Aha! Hey! Gilbert! Gilbert, want a toy? That was quick thinking, Caillou. Great squeaking, Leo. We still need to stop the lava. Daddy, we saved Gilbert.
That's great, Caillou. I should have this figured out any second now. That did it. I guess Gilbert was the charm.
You know what that means?
Careful, Caillou. That tree's too tall. You could hurt yourselves.
Sorry, Daddy. Quick, Rosie, come on! Huh? Where'd the scary lion go? It's gonna eat me!
Caillou, are you all right?
I'm fine, Daddy. It's just part of the adventure.
Oh, Gilbert, your paw is stuck. Caillou, what did I say about climbing the tree? Look at what happened to Gilbert.
I thought it was just me. I didn't know Gilbert was...
It's important to think about others, Caillou. What you do can affect more than just yourself, okay?
You okay, Gilbert? What is it? Don't worry, Gilbert. I won't let anything happen to you. Meow!
Gilbert? Gilbert has a small break in his leg, so we'll need to bandage him up and make sure he gets plenty of rest for a few weeks.
But he's going to be okay?
He's going to be just fine. But to help him get better, he's going to need a little help doing the things he would normally do.
Oh, I can do that. I'm great at helping. Gilbert, don't do that. The bandage is going to make your leg better.
I think it'll be better for Gilbert's leg if we give him a cone.
Cone? Like an ice cream cone? Yum!
No, this is a special cone Gilbert can wear to stop him chewing his bandage.
Rise and shine, sleepyhead! Ta-da! Gilbert, be careful!
Caillou, cats can't drink orange juice like we do. Try to think about things that Gilbert likes.
Aha! Release the dragon! Release the dragon! Oh, yeah! That's not a dragon. It's a... scary T-Rex!
What's the matter, bud?
Gilbert doesn't want to play anymore. I tried playing dragon, dinosaurs, everything. He didn't even like the breakfast I made. All he wants to do is sleep.
Caillou, remember when you broke your arm? It was frustrating trying to do things you normally did, wasn't it? The best way you can help Gilbert is by putting yourself in his shoes.
But Gilbert doesn't wear shoes.
I mean, imagine what it's like to be Gilbert so you can try to help.
Gilbert's leg looks all better. You must have taken really good care of him.
I just imagined what Gilbert was feeling, and it was easy to help. We're ready for the fair, Mommy. I want to ride the whirly chairs. They make you so dizzy.
Oh, I don't think we'll be able to go today. Mommy's not feeling very well.
But no fair?
I'm sorry, you two.
Are you sure you can't take us, Daddy?
I'm sorry, I have to work.
Oh. Don't be sad, Caillou. Rosie, make better. Rosie, you just gave me an idea. If we help Mommy feel better, maybe we can go to the fair.
Oh, what's this?
Dr. Caillou and Nurse Rosie are here to make you better, Mommy. Better.
I see. Lucky me.
Patient Mommy is ready now. Over.
Huh? That sure looks warm. Oh, it's
Orange juice. Vitamin C.
Dr. Caillou's orders.
Very interesting.
We need bandages, Nurse Rosie. Teddy? Teddy will do. We need 100 Teddy hugs, Rosie.
Oh, of course.
Tickle hug 1, tickle hug 2, tickle hug 3, tickle hug 4, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Oh, I'm up.
Great work, Rosie. And Teddy. Now, Mommy, you rest and I'll talk with Nurse Rosie in the hall.
Oh, that sounds like a great idea.
Mommy, not better. No, we need to call in BC. We need some help. Who can we get to help? Daddy! Nurse Daddy! Come in, Nurse Daddy! Code bright yellow! Code bright yellow! Over!
Sorry, Caillou, Daddy's working.
But me and Nurse Rosie need you. And Mommy! And Mommy! Over!
Nurse Daddy will be right there.
Huh? What? Uh-oh.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Just as I thought.
What is it, Nurse Daddy?
Mommy has a serious case of the sniffle-diffles. We're going to need tissues. Lots and lots of tissues.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. That's enough. Oh, thank you for all your help today. I'm sorry we couldn't go to the fair, but you two...
Oh, the fair! We were having so much fun, we forgot all about it. Oh well.
Maybe we should let Mommy rest.
Just one more bit of medicine. One... Love you squeeze. Looks like we have another patient, Rosie.
Uh-oh. Follow me, please.
But I don't want to go to a new restaurant, Daddy. I want to go to another...
Trust us, Caillou. You're gonna like this one.
Look! I'm hungry.
Good things come to those who wait.
I don't know if I can wait, Daddy. Hey, how about me? I want...
Good catch, Caillou.
It's good, but I'm still hungry.
Good things come to those who wait.
No, wait, Caillou, that's... Oh, spicy. That's really spicy.
Red!
Here, drink some water.
My tongue is burning.
That's wasabi, Caillou. You're only supposed to have a tiny bit of it.
This'll make it better.
I don't want anything else that's new.
Oh,
Oh,
this looks amazing.
mm-hmm.
Huh? Yummy! No way!
It's delicious, Caillou. You should try some. I promise it's not spicy.
You won't know if you like it until you try it.
Is there a kids menu?
Afraid not. But I can make something just for you. What's your favorite thing to eat?
Oh, can you make grilled cheese?
A little of this, and
This isn't grilled cheese.
are you sure?
Cheese?
Can you fly the cranes back to me?
Can't I just eat them? I'm really hungry.
Good things come to those who wait.
But
I promise this'll be the best grilled cheese you've ever had.
Oh,
Amazing.
my.
You okay, Rosie?
oh, sorry, Rosie. I got carried away. Huh? Huh? What is it?
Your grilled cheese, sir.
Yummy! It's delicious!
Of course it is, because good things come to those who...
Wait!
Would you like to try mine, Caillou?
Will I like it?
You won't know until you try it.
Ooh.
It's called tempura.
How about some of my fish?
What else would you like to try?
Everything!
Coming right up.
What do you want to do, Rosie? We can go on the roller coaster. Go swimming. Splash! Or play games in the arcade. Quack, quack. No, let's do the ducks later. I think we should... What was that? It's Gilbert! Run! Quick, let's hide over here. We'll be safe here from Gilbert, but we need someone to protect us. Who can keep us safe? Teddy? I know! Teddy! We have to get to him in the living room. Ready, Rosie? Ready! Go! Oh no! Mooney's blocking our way! Run! Now! Oops, I missed a spot. The vacuum! It's gonna suck us up! Caillou, go this way! No, this way is better. Go on without me. Save yourself. No!
Caillou, are you okay?
Yes, Mommy. I'm fine.
How did this get here?
Did you see, Rosie? We defeated the vacuum. Gilbert is no match for us. Caillou? He was scared off by a vacuum cleaner, but I wasn't. Caillou? He's right behind me, isn't he? Phew, that was close. We should be okay if we just stay very still. Whoa! We did it! Huh? There! Gilbert, play! Watch out, Rosie! Gilbert, play, Caillou! Gilbert, play! How are we going to get up there? Daddy, climb! Not now, Rosie. I'm thinking. Gilbert's coming. What are we gonna do, Rosie? Rosie? That's it. We can climb up and get to Teddy. Good idea, Rosie. There's Teddy. I think we should... Actually, what do you want to do, Rosie? You've been right all day. That's right. Gilbert didn't like the vacuum. Vroom, 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 vroom. Sorry I didn't listen to you earlier. Your ideas were right the whole time. Want to play some more in my room? I promise to listen this time. We can even feed the ducks. Wait, ducks! Quack, quack!
Oh,
Oh, Caillou!
Let's go again.
Oh, not yet. I need to pick some things up here first. So, that's tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, and oh,
Can I please get this chocolate bar, Mommy? It looks so yummy and I...
we're about to go home and have a tasty, healthy lunch, Caillou. I don't think chocolate is a good idea.
But I think it might be.
No buts, Caillou. Put it back, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, where was I? How about cucumbers? Rosie loves those. Let's go, Caillou.
There's your change. And here's a little treat for you.
No thank you. I'm going to have a healthy lunch.
Oh, you can take one for later if you want, Caillou.
No, that's okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okie dokie then. Have a great day.
I was thinking you could help me make lunch, Caillou. How does that sound?
Uh-huh.
I can chop the carrots, and you could wash the lettuce and the tomatoes. Then we'll mix it all up.
You shouldn't have taken that chocolate bar. It wasn't yours, Caillou. Caillou? Caillou? I said, does that sound tasty?
Yeah, Mommy. Really tasty. No, I want to keep my coat on, please.
Suit yourself.
Oh, chocolate. What? Yummy chocolate. Rosie want too. No, Rosie. Rosie want chocolate. Rosie want chocolate. Rosie want chocolate. No, Rosie.
Where did you get that chocolate bar? Did you take it from Mr. Johnson's store? Caillou, that's stealing. It's very wrong. How could you do that?
I didn't mean to. I just wanted it, and I know I shouldn't have taken it, but no one was looking, and please don't take me to jail. I'm really sorry.
Thank you for saying sorry, but it isn't just me that you need to apologize to, Caillou.
I'm really sorry, Mr. Johnson. Here's the money to pay for the chocolate I took. I should never have taken it.
Oh, I'm very disappointed, Caillou. You made a bad choice.
I know. I'm really, really sorry.
I believe you, and I accept your apology. Just promise me you'll never take anything that isn't yours ever again.
I promise. Never, ever, ever.
Good. Now you head home. Your mommy's made you a tasty, healthy lunch. And it sounds like you need it.
And now, the rings.
You silly dress. Ugh. Clem, honey, the rings.
Oh yeah, got them right here. Ding!
Oh, uh-oh.
Ding!
Thanks, Caillou. I now pronounce you married. Yay! This is the best day ever.
Ding!
Like this.
Whoops.
Confetti kiss. Ew.
Picture time, everyone.
Oh, picture time. Come on, let's get a good spot.
Let's go!
Wait! I've got to find find the perfect spot. Whoops, sorry. Ta-da! The perfect spot.
Everyone say wedding.
Wedding! Oh no!
There! Best view in the house.
Best day ever.
Quick, it's cake time, everyone.
Cake!
Oh no!
Cake in the face is good luck.
How about a mommy-daughter dance?
Beep, beep.
Oh, I love this song. Come on!
Beep, beep. Oh.
Best day ever! Whoa. Oh no! I've ruined the whole day.
Oh, Clem, things don't have to go as planned to be just right.
Best day ever! Woo!
Ever.
Ever!
I wish it would stop storming. What was that?
It looks like the wind made the tree fall during the storm.
Tree, go back up? I don't think so, Rosie. My swing! Can we fix it?
I'm sorry, Caillou. We have to say bye to the tire swing, too.
But I don't like saying bye. Where will Gilbert sit now? The tree was always his favorite spot. I remember the first time I brought Gilbert to the tree. Welcome to your new home, Gilbert. This is the garden. Oh, Gilbert. All this new stuff must be scary. Huh? The tree won't hurt you, Gilbert. Trees give us shade, and you can sit under them when you're tired. Like this. And from up in the branches, you can see everything.
The tree wasn't only Gilbert's favorite. It was Rosie's favorite, too.
Rosie loved tree! Rosie loved tree!
Caillou, someone wants to meet you. Say hello to your little sister, Rosie.
Wow. Why is she crying?
Don't worry, Caillou. It's normal for babies to cry.
How do we make her stop?
We just need to figure out a way to make Rosie feel better.
I know. Maybe it's too bright?
Maybe a hug from her big brother will help.
A hug from me? But she's so little.
Give it a try. You're her big brother, after all.
But I don't know how to be a big brother.
Make sure to hold her head.
She stopped crying.
You've got the magic touch.
See, you're a great big brother already, Caillou. Phew. Well, my favorite memory of the tree is from way before then. My favorite is the day we moved here. And we planted the tree together.
Wait. We planted the tree? I don't remember that. Where was I?
You weren't born yet. You were in my belly. A new house, a new tree, and soon a new baby. That's a lot of new.
It's okay to worry when things feel so new, but that doesn't mean they won't be great. We just have to take it one day at a time.
Whoa. That's it! Mommy! Daddy! Wait!
That should do. Mommy, Caillou, would you like to do the honors?
We'd love to.
Now we can make new memories with a new tree.
While always thinking fondly of the old memories.
Rosie, help!